What this does is it keeps tension in between the fly and the line outside of the rod tip and the rod tip itself. And this allows the fly to really pick up some speed on each one of these false casts that I make. This is the back view of the cast. Now, if you watch, you might see a little blur, and that's my fly. It's going so fast that you can't even see it. Now, the line is really important to the fly rod and casting. And this is the main line, and it's connected to backing. The backing doesn't add to the cast really, it just doesn't allow the main line to slip on the spool. And the main line's connected to the leader. It's over here. And the leader is connected to tippet. And you can see where that connection is right there. That's the little knot right there. What the main line does, the main line has the weight, and that what allows you to actually cast the weightless fly. The tippet, not tip, the leader, that's tapered, and what that does is it allows the fly and the tippet to fly straighter on your final cast. Also, what that does is it allows the line, the tippet, to uh, overcome wind resistance, and it makes the turnovers speed up. And finally, the tippet, this does is it gives you extra distance on your cast, and also it's the smallest diameter line that you have on your setup, and this part overcomes the sound barrier. And this is the difference of the line. You can see how much it slims down as you go farther down. The bow and arrow cast is a special type of cast. This, unlike the regular cast, is actually a spring. The rod's a spring now instead of the lever. What I'm doing is I'm pulling the main line back, which is creating force in this direction towards the house. Newton's second law that says acceleration of an object is directly related to the net force. So when I let go, this rod and the rod tip is going to accelerate uh, back to being straight at the same force as I was pulling it at. In Newton's third law, it says uh, is opposite and equal reaction. And what that means is when this goes, the opposite and equal reaction of this force, the rod is moving the weighted line and the fly and all the other lines connected to it forward at an incredible rate of speed, and also having that carry somewhat up to like 20-30 yards. This cast is usually you have like trees above you. Yeah, that's it.